Create gorgeous volume and shine with big hair. The clever rotating brush from BaByliss. To get the most volume and body, work with manageable sections of damp, nearly dry hair. Check that the brush is rotating away from you before placing it in the hair. Put the brush into the end of the hair section and begin to rotate the styling head. To add body to longer hair lengths, let your hair wind around the brush to the root and release the rotation button. Hold for a few seconds in the hair and then unwind. Repeat this simple process, allowing the brush to do the styling work. Move up and down the hair section to build volume, or allow it to spin freely at the ends to add shape. It's even easy to use to give body and lift at the back of the hair. Add the finishing touch to your fringe. Gorgeous, big hair made easy.